Ghana Premier League match day 19 is underway, and Asante Kotoko is opening the second fixture for the round of 19 games. Against Bibiani Ghost, as we know, Asante Kotoko arrive the township of Bibiani. Mino Kase Pay Kotoko Mutim Hotel or more prepare after that na omodi omani actual park so I could face Bibiani Ghost Stars March day 19 Ghana Premier League. In the course of the week, in Sensembebre and the course of Asante Kotoko, any break Chelsea, airport draw after the draw in Sensempi nearby. Okay, Coach Hamza Obeng in Sensema only players in Tawan Kakreba IMC decided to take a decision on the decision has been effective, even though say Coach Abdul Karim Zito and Abdul Obe played Sani Ebeya reinstate Hamza Obeng into the main team. The decision for now, I hold it. Say Coach Hamza Obeng is not part of the technical team. Travel to Bibiani Ghost Stars. Details and more. Our Midi Asia. Me bacho unsubscribe. I know I hit the rest subscribe button also. What about Romano Sonia build it together? Information be bring what we are say. We filter the news and ensure we bring you the quality content you deserve to hear. A Super 24 TV. Me, I made it ready and watch Yameno. Bidin Edit Nazal Hamza. Obit me after me the blog man. Me patcho join the Kotoko reaction. 0247 107260. 0247 107260. Na me found to so. Be who Kotoko WhatsApp platform as well they say. Depending on China, depending on Jamaica, depending on Ghana, USA, Canada. And Kasubo. Nigeria for Ghana for more Nigeria, Kotoko for more Nigeria, Ethiopia, Senegal, Muninano, Ewoswa, and Comodiano, and diverse opinions near we near who the Ebeboa Asante Kotoko Club, no, Sape Pepe, and Yakono Kotoko reaction, also 0247 107260. Na Memfa to Swafi, join it, join Mammy. Mr. Etiefoni Ahefo. Wo dwumadi bia na so wo product and services bia na opese obo ho dawura if you ha say no e be ya ma wo fa number na wa frɛ me na ye di ho nkomo wo ne dwumadi bia na so wo ne products and services bia kwa na opese o sponsor ya warama fa number no na frɛ na ye be appreciate that from you. So 1 city 2 city kra na wo de be so ya sia ama dwumadi na akoso a ye be appreciate that from you. Yes, madam asi bebre. Now, Asante Kotoko team no prepare towards the Bibiani Ghost Stars game. In the course of the week, news be bring by Sambe Kosimba, Coach Hamza Obeng, when you say on focusing on the main reasons about Asante Kotoko, and it seems to have taken effect. Kase Kotoko versus Bibiani Ghost Stars. No, he's without the team. Now, here are the implications. Kotoko next 2 games, apparently head coach of Asante Kotoko Karim Zito played on the IMC. Say IMC and reconsider on decision na Hamza Obeng will be oboade pan because the Juma already our Prince Usu as an assistant head coach and who say Hamza Obeng also with the youthful exuberance no beka ho a ebeboa no na obeka ho na ebeboa na dia ade say ye na free. I don't know who they say in 4 and reconsider. And the Kotoko next games, which are going to be against Basaki Holy Stars and Tima, your friend, Heart of Lions. No, we'll be looking forward to some penny 4 and reconsider our decision. Now we are going to have Hamza Obeng back into the main team. Some penny 4 and my brothers still na Hamza in focusing on a team na Yadiamana, which is the youth team and also acquire no. What I say? Yes, match day 19. My main fixtures name. My baby, I'm a Kotoko 20-man squad. Asante Kotoko a day a rim and now and a house of folk a piano with Dreams FC. Now, unfortunately, house of folk ain't married. You got Nefi and the Dreams FC about 0-0. And now chance be a house play about Kunya friends and Mohammed Hussein. Me and you, Pano Abobono. What's now grab my keeper no a bit patchy body away. That was 0-0 Accra Sports Stadium. Now, Kotoko game against Bibiani Ghost Stars. Bibiani, 3:30 yɛntie na yɛnhyɛ no nso ɛnɛ ɛna ɛno ɔba so ɛna ɛnɛ dua me no ka sɛ Vision FC ɛne Mediama nso ɛde bɛyam so game no ɛkɔ so wɔ Vision fuo hɔ. It is expected and I'm hoping that Vision FC is going to beat Mediama so that Kotoko Yeko wini a yɛbɛnya advantage of closing the gap on Mediama or team no ɛne kwan so wɔ teams a wɔsɛ yɛ stopping wɔ hɔ. Nations FC ebe host Aduana Stars and until announcing this week who say Atapoku the CEO of Aduana Stars all town na udin komo bebre no yes Aduana and Nations FC and Ebo Abraham Kese. Yaba wishing Nations FC all the best in this particular fixture. Brekum Chelsea and the Swedro All Blacks and the Bayam so a game I yen shed any interest be our sa the Ababe to be I and Karela United and the FC Samates and so at the Bayam so Basaki Holy Stars and the Bichim United and Ebebo now Heart of Lions and the 11 Wonders and so at the Pimso Heart of Lions and the 11 Wonders and at the Pimso final game for the run of 19 fixtures no a Young Apostles and the Hoho United and also a gamer Ebaso as the last gamer. These are the fixtures for match day 19 Ghana Premier League and also the Mabefa Kotoko 20-man squad no emma me no kase Kotoko team no I have a breakfast na we are omo ye teamwork ewo omo base wa ewo Bibiani ho no enra na Asante Kotoko ekudru ye me no kase anope no breakfast the course we omo ne nam ho na omo etenete na omo waiting for this important win a gamer without slight shake of that. The last time I Kotoko called win was the Super Cup, which was the champions of champions game. Kotoko Eko win. This is our history, no. And back Kotoko na Yemfa Enko win game. Aziz Aruna Diary is part of the squad. Aziz Aruna Diary, Mohamed Kamara, expectedly they are in the squad. And Bibiani Samba O'Neill is also part of the squad. Bibiani Samba O'Neill is part of the squad. Inusa Adams is part of the squad. And Prince Bedu, the new guy from Nations FC, is part of the squad. Musa Hamzata is part of the squad. Hilary Adabo is part of the squad. Morufin Dozo is part of the squad. Hubert Joe is part of the squad. Seth Kwedu is part of the squad. Lord Amwa is part of the squad. Peter Amidu Akwa is part of the squad. Kwame Poku is part of the squad. Emmanuel Entry is part of the squad. Saka Dauda is part of the squad. Fuseni Zakaria Nasser, Zakaria Fuseni is part of the squad. Joseph Amwa is part of the squad. Walid Nema Fuseni is part of the squad. Philip Amo is part of the squad. Johnson Opon is part of the squad. And this new guy I signed in Yakubu Dogo is also part of the squad. This is the 20-man squad Asante Kotoko. And if you see a team, your friend, Bibiani go start. We wish Kotoko all the best in this particular